Pop-Pop's bees, this is the swarm we went and got last night. Can't really tell you what number it is. I think it's 58, but I'll check, put it in the comments. I didn't comment on it last night because I couldn't remember either. Got the call after dark. So, good looking bunch of bees there. I don't know if y'all can see in there or not. Let's see. Yeah, bucket vac does a great job. We vacuumed them off the pole last night. So, we're gonna see if we can get these girls in this box. I did not bump and dump, but I was gonna see if I could just get them to easily come on in. Let's take our frame and put it right here like this. Here they come. Yeah, that's not gonna work real well. So we're just gonna bump them and dump them. Real good natured bees. So let's get them in the box. There we go. All in, just like putting a package, but we ain't got to pull nothing out to do that. Take your frames, just set them in there. Let them drop right down. As the bees disperse on the frames, they will, the frame will drop on in. And hopefully it'll stay. We got one drone comb in there with them. Decent little swarm. Not the most perfect time to pick them up last night at dark in the rain. But nevertheless, we got some. One last bee in there, get her out. Pop-Pop's bees, funny bug bees and woodworks. Like I said, I think this is 58. I'll check that out when I post it, and we'll go from there. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.